West Bend Dyno Tuning. I'm the EFI calibrator here, and we just got done installing the Lingenfelter C8 Corvette kit on David's 2021 C8 Corvette. Got it off the dyno, made great power numbers. We're testing the drivability on it right now, seeing what it does. The throttle response, the tip-in, the drivability all feels really, really good. So we're gonna take it for a quick little drive and let you know our thoughts.
Nice and docile, torquey.
So right now we got it in track mode. Shifts are a little firmer. Real smooth power delivery.
She gets up to 100 pretty quick. I think traction might be a problem.
Just tons of torque instantaneously.
I like the torque curve. It's got nice, very nice throttle response and out of the whole torque.
So the C8's baseline on our Mustang dyno a little differently. Some are in the 450 range, some are in the 490 range at the tire. This particular car baselined at around 480, and when we got done with it, 636 at the tire. It's a pretty big improvement with a bolt-on kit with a calibration.
The nice part about this kit is you can get the warranty with it.
So this supercharger actually has a cog drive on it in the front by the serpentine belt system. A dedicated supercharger belt.
Oh yeah, a lot stiffer shifts.
So as a calibrator, I like to be involved in every product we ship out. So we always test and log and verify everything looks good on the dyno, on the street. And I'm happy to report this calibration works perfectly. I see no issues with it at all, in my opinion. Everything to me looks really good. I couldn't be happier with what it is. This kit actually ships with the calibration installed on the computer, so I don't have to do anything. Shout out to Lingenfelter for making a plug-and-play kit for a C8 that comes with a calibration. No hassles, no headaches, nothing to worry about. Proven system.
Puts you in your seat. So I just finished driving this 2021 C8 with the MAGNUSON Lingenfelter supercharger kit on it. Very impressive though. I liked it. You could drive it however you wanted and it responded very well. The torque curve was phenomenal. Fun car. I think the owner's really gonna like it.
Hey, Chris from West Bend Dyno here. We just finished installing the Lingenfelter MAGNUSON supercharger kit, and I have to say it's one of the most complete kits we've installed here. From the jig supplied by Lingenfelter all the way down to the instructions, it's very complete, a very nice, clean install.
We're pretty proud that we're one of the very few shops in the United States that can install these Lingenfelter MAGNUSON kits. We're actually the only one in the state of Wisconsin. If you're a C8 owner and you're looking for a little extra boost, give us a call at 262-692-9035 or check us out at westbenddyno.com.